The exercise and fitness for athletes. Exercise and fitness play a central role in the life of every athlete, regardless of their sport. For professionals and beginners alike, structured physical training not only enhances performance but also reduces injury risks, supports mental well-being, and ensures long-term athletic development. In today's competitive sports world, where even a fraction of a second or a small increase in strength can determine success, athletes must understand the science and discipline behind exercise and fitness. 1. Importance of exercise and fitness in athletics. Athletes rely on their bodies as their primary tools, and regular training helps them reach peak potential. Proper exercise routines improve muscle strength, flexibility, cardiovascular efficiency, endurance, and coordination. Beyond physical benefits, fitness also strengthens mental resilience, giving athletes the confidence and focus needed during competitions. Furthermore, professional sports require demanding schedules. Maintaining high levels of fitness ensures consistency and allows athletes to train harder without pushing the limits of injury. 2. Key components of athletic fitness. Athletic fitness is a holistic combination of several elements, as strength training. Strength exercises, such as weightlifting, resistance training, and bodyweight workouts, help athletes develop powerful muscles. Stronger muscles contribute to improved speed, jumping ability, stability, and overall power output. B. Cardiovascular endurance. Running, swimming, cycling, and interval training help increase cardiovascular capacity. A strong heart and lungs allow athletes to perform for longer periods with less fatigue. C. Flexibility and mobility. Stretching, yoga, and mobility drills enhance joint movement and reduce injury risk. Flexible muscles help athletes move efficiently and prevent strains. D. Speed and agility. Agility ladders, sprints, and footwork drills help athletes respond quickly during fast-paced sports like football, basketball, hockey, and tennis. E. Balance and coordination. Balance boards, stability balls, and single-leg exercises help athletes maintain stability while performing complex movements. 3. Designing an effective workout routine for athletes. A well-structured exercise plan is essential for athletic growth. Coaches and trainers usually design programs tailored to the athlete's sport, goals, and current fitness level. A. Warm-up and cool-down. Warm-ups increase blood flow and prepare the body, while cool-downs help reduce muscle stiffness and speed up recovery. B. Periodization. Athletes train in phases, from base conditioning to peak performance, to avoid overtraining and promote continuous improvement. C. Sport-specific training. A sprinter's routine differs from that of a swimmer or a basketball player. Sport-specific drills ensure that training matches the demands of competition. 4. Nutrition and hydration. Supporting athletic fitness. Exercise alone is not enough for athletes. Proper nutrition fuels workouts and aids recovery. A balanced diet must include carbohydrates, primary source of energy. Proteins, essential for muscle repair and growth. Fats, support hormone production and long-term energy. Vitamins and minerals, promote immunity and recovery. Hydration, prevents cramps, fatigue, and performance decline. Athletes often work with nutritionists to develop meal plans that support their training intensity. 5. Recovery and rest. The hidden strength of fitness. Recovery is as important as training. Quality sleep, rest days, massage therapy, ice baths, and stretching help the body repair itself. Without proper recovery, athletes risk burnout, overtraining, decreased performance, and injuries. Modern sports science emphasizes active recovery, which includes light exercises such as walking or swimming to maintain fitness without stressing the body. 6. Mental fitness in athletics. Athletes need a strong mind to match their physical strength. Mental training includes a goal-setting focus and concentration. Stress management. Visualization techniques. Building confidence. A mentally strong athlete approaches competitions with clarity and resilience, even under pressure. Conclusion. Exercise and fitness are the foundation of athletic excellence. From strength and endurance to flexibility and mental resilience, athletes must maintain a balanced and disciplined training lifestyle. With proper workout plans, nutrition, rest, and sports psychology, they can unlock their full potential and achieve outstanding performance. Whether competing at national levels or training for personal milestones, every athlete benefits from a strong commitment to exercise and fitness, turning dedication into success.